And moving forward, the public now, especially your supporters, are waiting if you're gonna file or seek damages for what you've gone through in 2019, or maybe file a criminal complaint against Duterte. What are your future plans, former Senator, on this matter, specifically that you secured a major win at the Supreme Court? Do you plan to go after Duterte?
Okay, pinag-aaralan po ng mga abogado namin kung ano yung mga pwede namin gawin. At kung meron mang gagawin about this, hindi ito born out of vindictiveness, no, o pangbebenga, kasi that's not our style. Kung maggagawa man kami, magpa-file man kami ng kung ano ng case, is para magtanda yung mga gumawa nito, para may accountability na hindi kayo pwedeng gagawa ng mga ganitong bagay na abusuhin yung inyong kapangyarihan to oppress people. So gagamitin natin ito para magmarka sa isip ng mga potential na mga abusado na gobyerno na you cannot do that. You will be made to pay at some point.